Components of Training Machine Introduction. In this section, we're going to discuss the building blocks of the training system. So what kind of things you can incorporate into your training system that will help you train the best business analysts and management consultants. So let's have a look at the things we're going to discuss in this section. So we're going to start with something which we call past project database. In other words, organize deliverables from other projects that will enable in a passive way for the person once he needs it to go into and check what people were doing on similar projects. More advanced thing is the lesson learned. So here you try to get the main conclusions from the past project database and put them into a form of a short presentation where you show the main conclusions, mistakes that have been done, and lessons learned. The next building block that is extremely important are obviously offline courses. So here you first map what you want your people to learn, on what level, and then you create content for an offline course that you deliver to your people in order to teach them. Similar to that, we can have online courses, and on top of that, in bigger companies, you quite often have mentorship where the senior consultants, they try to coach, give advices to younger members like business analysts, consultants, associates. Another thing that we're going to discuss are workshops. So they are in a sense similar to offline course, but here you'd rather do a lot of case studies that will help the students be more active and learn by doing certain simplified things. Another thing that you can consider are pro-bono projects. So they are like real consulting projects, but usually done for free, either for non-government organization or a governmental organization, sometimes even small companies. An interesting way to also teach people is to involve them into creation of frameworks where they try to organize everything you have learned through past projects and lessons learned into organized approach. And I'm going to show you some examples of that as well. And finally, we have two options, so new product development and business development. So quite often, in order to teach your business analysts and consultants, you would involve them in those two activities. And in this way, they learn again by doing what is important in a certain industry or in a certain area, and they can acquire certain skills and knowledge faster. So that's in short what we're going to discuss in this section. I'll go into details in each and every component building block, and I will show you what you should do in order to make it a viable part of your training system. So enjoy the section, and if you have any questions regarding that, please let me know by posting a question into the discussion field or email me directly in Udemy.